So yeah, this is how we do it, right? Boy, do I ever have something cool to show you. What's up, YouTube? Nicole here with a review you do not want to miss, and I want to get right into it. See, these guys are crowdfunding as I speak, and it's prime time to check them out. If you like what I'm about to show you, and you want in on a killer discount, it's called Magic Box, and it literally takes all of this and it turns it into a few button pushes. Like seriously, 2 to 3 hours of Photoshop in 5 to 10 minutes. It is quite possibly the coolest thing I have ever gotten to play with, and if you photograph as many products as I do, the saved time alone is insane. So let me show you how it works, and then you can decide if I'm right. But I am. So there's that. Okay. Setup took me about 20 minutes the first time, but it's really a 5-minute task. The longest commitment is attaching this back LED board to the bottom LED board. It also comes with 2 sideboards, and I really don't think you need them unless you have strong light difference variables to deal with. And they attach with these easy on-off knobs, and you can also add these stabilization bars, but I really don't think you need them. So it comes with 2 LED lights and stands, but can accommodate up to 4, and they all plug into the main power box, so it's self-contained. You can even add up to 2 triggered flashes, but honestly, I'm happy with just what comes in the box. There is a clear acrylic surface and a reversible frosted one with a matte and glossy side. It also comes with a laser centering guide. Now that you have a sense of everything that you get, let me show you what it does. I am so excited. So you set your product, plug in any approved DSLR, and check this, you don't even need an SD card. Attach the camera to your computer and the computer to the Magic Box. That's it, you're ready to roll. Start the program, and once it's all connected, the Magic Box will illuminate. From here, you can adjust everything you could possibly need. Your ISO, your aperture, your shutter speed, the intensity of all the light sources, color temperature. It also has manual options and preset functions like transparent output. You can also control the product platform. Yes, it is a turntable, so it rotates at precise increments at your request. Now the cool part, once you set up the image how you like it, just press this button and let the box do its magic. It takes full control of your camera, the lights and the rotation of the object, and at least in this mode, takes 36 consecutive and precise shots at a few degree increments. And what this does, wait for it, is give you a seamless 360-degree GIF or video. Like what? But wait, there's more. Once the capture is done, this program has a dozen insane functions, like recentering everything in just a few seconds. This is totally my favorite part. And my second favorite part, replace or remove the background with anything you want. It comes with some presets, but you could pretty much add any custom image. You can change your shot settings, color grade, batch erase areas you don't want, then just export it. The whole process takes like 3 to 5 minutes per product. That's it. And you have Amazon-worthy catalog shots or Instagram-worthy product features. You could probably manage like 100+ projects in a day with this, seriously. I have to enthusiastically recommend this to anyone who frequently shoots products, especially at the price it's dropping on for Kickstarter. You are totally going to love it, and I can't wait to see what else I'm able to do with it. I will make sure to post any additional videos the more that I figure it out, but until next time,